I was able to complete this entire twist out only using one product. So if you're looking for a simplified way to do your twist out for your next wash day, you've reached the right video. Let's dive right in. You heard that right. We're only using one product for this twist out, and I'm going to walk you through how I prep my hair, how I apply the product, and the twisting technique that I use to get the most defined, moisturized results. And as always, I like to start my twist outs on freshly washed, damp hair so that my hair is clean, moisturized, and ready to absorb the product. Before applying anything, I like to separate my hair into a few larger sections to make the process way easier and help me stay organized. I usually divide the front into two sides. I do two lower areas in the back and one large middle section. And that just helps me not have a noticeable split down the middle of my hair. And you're probably asking yourself, what is this one product this girl is using to get these results? Well, I'm using the Rizos Curls 6-in-1 styling cream, and it claims to provide definition, a flexible hold, it has frizz control, moisture, it's a heat protectant, and it helps seal the appearance of split ends. So basically it has all of the qualities you would want for the perfect twist out. I've also been really focusing on using products that have quality ingredients, and this specific product has hyaluronic acid to help retain moisture. Mango butter is the key ingredient here, and this adds softness and shine. And this product is just made to give you definition and hydration without leaving your hair feeling overly heavy. And just by the way my hair was looking with just applying the product, I already knew that this twist out was going to come out so tea. And I'm aiming for medium-sized twists because this is the perfect size for me to get long-lasting results as well. The consistency is definitely thick and very creamy, which I personally like for a twist out because I want something that's really going to coat and smooth each section. But even though it's thick, it still feels very lightweight. It spreads through my hair easily and it doesn't immediately feel heavy or greasy. And one thing that really stood out to me is the smell of the product. I don't know if anyone else will make this connection, but it reminds me a little bit of Blue Magic. It's not exactly the same, but it definitely has that nostalgic, old school hair product type of scent. Now let's get to the twisting part. So for this, you want to make sure you have two even sections, and you're going to start twisting and twirling the hair down. And that twirling motion is really going to help you keep the hair smooth, but it also adds a little bit of tension and helps the twist stay really defined. About halfway through that twist, you want to grab your detangling tool and you're going to detangle, making sure that the hair is really smooth once again, and continue twisting and twirling down. And then right at the bottom, you're going to twirl that twist around your finger to finish off the twist. It is officially the next day and the hair is completely dry. I let my hair sit in the bonnet overnight to dry. I went for a walk today, so my scalp sweat a little bit, and still my hair is dry, ready to go. And you want to make sure that your hair is completely dry before you start removing these twists. I'm telling you, the entire process of your twist out matters if you really want to get those really nice results. Okay, and what I like to do first and foremost is grab an oil. You can use an oil of your choice and just put some in the palm of your hand and start kind of just like spreading that all over and lightly patting it into your hair before you start removing those twists. Next thing I like to do is put my hair up into a ponytail. I just like to grab everything and put it up, and I like to work one by each twist so I can make sure I'm getting the best definition possible as I remove. I like to go in and basically unravel the twist in the opposite direction of what I twisted down with. And I'm gonna do that for each twist, and then we're gonna go back and tie it back up and start separating each twist one by one. Already you can start seeing the definition in these twists. I'm already obsessed, I can't wait. And it's been so long since I've done a twist out, so we're really gonna see if this method and this product really does what it's supposed to do. Okay, at this point I think I got all of them. Now we're gonna go back, put all of this hair back into a little puff, and we're gonna work literally one by one and separate these twists to get the best definition, the best look possible, and make sure that your twist out lasts a few days. The next few steps that I'm gonna give you are steps that I have done every single time I've done a twist out. This gives me the best results with my definition and everything. And you have to be patient throughout this process. Take your time so that your twist out is coming out like chef's kiss, okay? Just take your time. We're gonna take one piece. We're gonna go ahead and separate it by pulling it, adding a little bit of tension. And we're trying to find areas in the hair piece that naturally separate. And I'm just gonna go ahead and separate it gently. See how this naturally separates? And that's what I'm doing per section. Tug, find areas that naturally separate. And some of those pieces might be bigger or smaller depending on the section that you're working with. And then leave it alone. That's it. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Now that we have all of the twists separated, it's time to go ahead and add some volume. I love me some volume on day one. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab a pick or a wide tooth comb, and I'm just gonna go in at my roots and start separating the hair just a little bit. Run the comb through and let it go. And while I do this, I wanna talk about how well I feel this product has been working. I'm really shocked that just one product alone has been able to get me these really great results. What I feel right now is a ton of moisture in my hair. Definitely have that hold. I don't feel like I'm gonna get a lot of frizz throughout the days. And I feel like exactly what the product claims to do is what I feel my hair doing right now. The ultimate test will be to go outside and like try this out in some hectic Miami weather. But I don't doubt it. I don't doubt that the product is gonna still hold and do what it's supposed to do. And I like that even though the product is somewhat lightweight, it still works like a gel to give me these types of results. This is typically what I get when I use a gel to hold my hair down. And we're doing it with just one product, like, hello? And then I'm a little extra, so I'm gonna go in and kind of just fluff with my hands too. Oh my goodness. Why have I not been doing twist outs all this time? This definition is top tier. Look at that hold, look at that shine. My hair is so moisturized. Rizos Curls is doing exactly what she's supposed to be doing, okay? I don't know, to me, Rizos Curls did that thing. I'm gonna continue using this product. I've definitely used it for a wash and go in the past. If you guys are interested in seeing how I use this one product for my wash and goes, let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to give you a quick little tutorial on how I do that. But also let me know if this is a product that you think you're gonna be trying for your next twist out. I'm really happy about these results, and I hope that you end up being really happy with them too once you try this product. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Of course, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.